Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this 12-volt refrigerator. And so this refrigerator is from MANASTIN, and it's a car fridge, a portable car fridge. And it can go between -4 degrees to about 50 degrees as far as the temperature. Now with this, it has a carrying capacity of about 37 quarts. As you can see here, starting from the top, we do have like 4 semi placeholder cup holders that you see on top here. This right here opens up as the lid. Now, this portion here functions as a dual cutting board and separation system. You've got a basket here for carrying cans, which you can just easily pull out. You've got the divider, which acts as a cutting board as well. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So I've used my fair share of electric coolers before, and this one actually has an LED illuminated light, making it very easy to actually go ahead and see the things inside of your fridge. Now, as far as the lid closing goes, I do wish it was a bit more padded, but overall, it does work pretty well. You've got the plug at the bottom as well to kind of remove any condensation that you see down over here. Now, this cooler was made to be a car fridge, and it's also convenient when it comes to moving around. And so what's good about it is that you do have a carrying handle right over here. And so with this carrying handle, you can basically just drag the cooler on its 2 wheels. So these 2 wheels that you see back here are pretty sturdy. They're meant to be rugged. They're meant to go over multiple terrain. And with the cooler on the side here, you also have a handle. So you have the handle here to kind of carry it if you do wish to carry it. Over here, we have the controls, and it's pretty simple to use. You simply just turn the cooler on, and then you have high efficiency mode, which is this white icon here. And then you have eco mode, which is this icon right over here, the green icon. Temperature controls are adjusted just by pressing the up and down button that you see over here. So right now I have it set to 1 degree Fahrenheit. There's 2 ways that you can power this cooler. So you can do the AC adapter, which means that it just plugs straight into the wall. And of course, you also have the car adapter or the DC adapter, in which you can actually just plug this straight into your car. And so with this cooler, I'd say it's a really neat cooler. I really like the handle carrying mechanism of it. It makes it very easy to roll around, especially if you're using this for camping or at the beach. You've got 2 handles on both sides. You have a handle here and a handle on the other side if you do need to carry the cooler. And the carrying handle, I wish it was telescopic, but even so, this just makes it really nice to go ahead and carry on those 2 back wheels over there. So with that being said, really pleased with this cooler. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.